Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Sunday at about 7 p.m. right now. I'm about to get into some skincare. I've been wearing a lot of makeup lately because I've just been filming a lot and I've just been putting on makeup, and I have been slacking in the skincare game for a while, and Kiehl sent over a bunch of products here that I've been using for the past day or two. It's a bunch of like face masks and a bunch of new goodies and stuff that I wanted to share with you. So huge thanks to Kiehl's for partnering with me today on this video. So they sent over these two holiday sets that they've curated for the holiday season, which is such a great deal. This is only $49 and it's a $72 value. And this is basically a complete skincare system. I will definitely be giving this as a gift this holiday season, especially for my younger brothers. They are approaching their teenage years now, and you know, the skin issues, acne, so I'm definitely going to be gifting this set. It's so inexpensive, and Kiehl's is a great brand. I haven't used all of the products that are included here, but I'm very familiar with their Ultra Facial Cream and their cleansing mask, which is amazing. Those two products I've definitely tried. I've already used their hydration kit though, because this is literally going to be the holy grail for the winter season, because it features products that are just perfect for like hydrating your skin. So the kit comes with a ultimate strength hand salve, and this is just going to be really moisturizing for dry hands. So if you guys have dry hands, it's going to be perfect for you. Then this is going to be their Ultra Facial Cleanser. I've used this cleanser several times before. I love it, and I'm so happy that I have this small size though, because this is definitely going to go into like my travel skincare bag. And then we have their Body Moisturizer, which I've heard very good things about. I'm very excited to try because I have the driest skin known to man. And then it comes with a Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. Both kits come with a Ultra Facial Cream, which is the best moisturizer hands down that I've really tried. It's so lightweight, so moisturizing. But that they sent was the Merry Masking Kit. So the first one we have here is the Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask with Amazonian White Clay. So I followed up with the Avocado Nourishing Hydration Mask to kind of like put that moisture back. And this mask was so lovely on my skin. It was so moisturizing. And then I followed up with the Turmeric and Cranberry Energizing Radiance Mask, which left my skin with an amazing glow. So I'm just gonna be using these products today, show you guys how I do a little skincare routine featuring these new products. So now I'm gonna go in with the Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask. This is my third time using this product. I've been trying them out since received, so yeah. And the texture of this is like a typical clay mask. I'm just gonna be blotting this on my face. Usually I have a brush to apply this with, but no idea where that is. So I'm just gonna be applying this all over. This one is definitely my favorite. This is the Avocado Nourishing Hydration Mask, and this is supposed to smooth and soften the skin, but ooh, they weren't lying when they said hydration, okay? After the clay mask, your skin will kind of feel a little bit like tight, but just applying this directly after is just going to make your skin feel so nice. So this is what it looks like. So the texture of this one is really nice. It's like putting like avocados on your face. Do you guys see the texture of it? It's like mashed up avocado. It's like very moisturizing, very hydrating. This is definitely my favorite mask of the kit. Oh, the hydration. I'm just gonna leave this on my face for a couple minutes, let it soak in there, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna just follow up with some other products, to move on. But the Merry Masking Kit is definitely a great deal because you can even separate them. Like if you have friends who love skincare, family members, you can gift this to your friend that has dry skin, or give the clay mask to a friend that has oily skin, or you can seriously just do that and split it up as like a stocking stuffer. Such a great idea. So right after the face mask, I'm gonna go in with the Ultra Facial Cream. And I must say that this is just a oldie but a goodie. I've used this before on so many different occasions. So it's a very lightweight moisturizer. Perfect under makeup. I've been putting it under my makeup since I've received it. And it's just like the perfect moisturizer because it's so lightweight. And it honestly just glides right over the skin. And to finish things off, I'm going to be using their Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado. This is my third time using this product. But I must say, the texture alone is a must. It is so creamy. Such a creamy product. Perfect for the under eyes. I'm also using their hand cream, which is divine. I have dry hands because my hands are just really dry, and I really like this. This will definitely just be in my purse to use to moisturize. Also, Kiehl's has been partnered with Feeding America for over 7 years now and have provided over 7 million meals to families in America so far. And when you purchase a facial favor kit or a Merry Masking Kit, you are donating to that cause. So keep that in mind this holiday season because things are hard right now, and you know, we spend anyways, so it just makes sense to spend to a brand that is supporting a really good cause like that. So that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks again to Kiehl's for partnering with me on this video. I really enjoyed trying these products out. My skin feels amazing. Everything will be linked down there for you guys in case you wanted to check anything out. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.